Setting up high-yield savings features in your Navy Federal account can help you maximize your savings potential. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Navy Federal website or open the mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure that you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Savings Options. Once logged in, locate the Savings or Account section in the main menu. Click on it to view the various savings account options available to you. Step 3. Select High Yield Savings Account. Look for the High Yield Savings Account option. Click on it to learn more about the features, interest rates, and any requirements for opening this type of account. Step 4. Complete the application. If you decide to proceed, fill out the application form for the High Yield Savings Account. Provide any required personal information and financial details as prompted. Step 5. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully set up high-yield savings features in your Navy Federal account. Enjoy the benefits of earning more on your savings.